Hey guys, today I'll show you how to download and install Google Gemini on your laptop or PC. First, open Google Chrome and go to Google. Search for Google Gemini, then open the official Gemini website at gemini.google.com. Once Gemini is open, you'll notice there isn't a traditional download or installation button, but you can install the website as an app directly through Chrome. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Cast, Save and Share, and choose Install Page as App. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see Create Shortcut instead. If you see the Install option, click Install, and Chrome will create a separate Google Gemini app on your computer. Once the installation is complete, Gemini should open in its own app window. You can close the window and reopen Gemini anytime from the app icon on your desktop or through your computer's Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Gemini as an app on your laptop or PC.